We're going to turn to that dramatic day now in the Jerry Sandusky trial. The prosecution's star witness, former Penn State coach Mike McQueary, took the stand after shattering testimony from victims had the jury in tears. It was a brutal day for the defense, and ABC's Jim Avila was in the courtroom for all of it. Good morning, Jim.
Good morning, George. In just 2 days, this jury has heard emotional testimony from two young accusers who had the jury weeping in the jury box. And then they had face-to-face front row seats for a face-to-face encounter between two former Penn State coaches whose chance encounter in a locker room brought down a coaching legend. The legendary defensive coach on trial, Jerry Sandusky, his freedom at stake, and the muscular coaching upstart, Mike McQueary, red hair ablaze, the two men most responsible for the downfall of Joe Paterno and their beloved Penn State, face off in a stare-down at 20 paces in a courtroom 15 miles from campus.
Here was the man who literally brought Penn State to its knees.
From the witness stand, staring down his former coach and colleague at the defense table, and in a drill sergeant cadence, firmly telling the jury the horrible things Mike McQueary says he witnessed in the Penn State locker room. Sandusky and a young boy in the showers telling the jury he was embarrassed, walking in on something I did not want to see. 3 quick looks before slamming a locker. Quote, "I made the loud noise to say someone else is here, break it up." McQueary saying he had no doubt about what he saw and who he saw doing it. "Both saw me," he said. "I looked directly in his eyes."
He looked at Sandusky with disdain and told the jury, "I saw it. There's no mistake that this was extremely sexual in nature."
It was the moment that would eventually bring down Coach Paterno and university officials, damaging the university's reputation itself, because McQueary told them all, he says, and nothing was done. On cross-examination, a critical question. Why did the hulking young coach not do more than slam a locker to stop what he saw? His answer? "I physically did not remove the boy from the shower or punch Jerry out, and you can read into it however you want. I did not physically do anything to stop it." Now, Coach McQueary's testimony ended as dramatically as it began when he was questioned by the defense attorney why he didn't call police. Was it because you were afraid of your job? McQueary looked at him and said, "You owe me more respect than that."